Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of setting up a solar power system using two 12-volt solar panels, an MPPT charge controller, a 150Ah battery, a switchboard with 4 switches, a 12-volt ceiling fan, and two 12-volt lights. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how all the components are connected to create an efficient and sustainable power system. There are 3 pairs of positive and negative terminals on the charge controller. Starting from the left side, we have the positive and negative terminals for the solar panel. In the middle, we have the positive and negative terminals for the battery. Finally, on the right side, we have the positive and negative terminals for the load. Step 1. Connecting the charge controller to the battery. To begin, we'll connect the MPPT charge controller to the battery. Take the positive terminal of the charge controller and connect it to the positive terminal of the battery. Similarly, connect the negative terminal of the charge controller to the negative terminal of the battery. This connection allows the charge controller to manage the flow of energy between the solar panels and the battery. Step 2. Connecting the solar panels to the charge controller. Next, connect the positive terminal of the first solar panel to the positive terminal of the second solar panel. Then, connect this combined wire to the solar panel positive terminal on the charge controller. This connection allows the charge controller to receive power from the solar panels. Similarly, connect the negative terminal of the first solar panel to the negative terminal of the second solar panel. Then, connect this combined wire to the solar panel negative terminal on the charge controller. This connection completes the circuit, enabling the charge controller to regulate the solar panel's output. Step 3. Connecting the load to the charge controller. The charge controller has 2 terminals designated for the load. Take a wire from the positive terminal of the load on the charge controller and connect it to the switchboard. Once connected, this wire will loop with the other 3 switches on the switchboard. The first switch on the switchboard will control the ceiling fan. Connect a wire from the second terminal of this switch to the fan, ensuring a secure connection. The second switch on the switchboard will control the first light. Connect a wire from this switch to the light, again ensuring a secure connection. The third switch on the switchboard will also control a light. Connect a wire from the second terminal of this switch to the second light. Step 4. Completing the load connection. Finally, take a wire from the load's negative terminal on the charge controller and connect it to the fan. Additionally, connect this wire to both lights. This connection completes the circuit, allowing power from the battery to reach the fan and lights. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your solar panels, charge controller, battery, switchboard, ceiling fan, and lights to create a functional solar power system. Now, you can enjoy sustainable and renewable energy to power your appliances. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more informative videos on renewable energy solutions.